Vezer is a timeline-based MIDI, OSC, and DMX sequencer for audiovisual artists. We can use Vezer to trigger executor buttons in the lightShark. And in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you exactly how to do this. Before you begin, you want to connect the computer with Vezer to the same network as your lightShark device and make sure that the two devices are within the same IP address range. Let's head over to the lightShark first. In the preferences, we can get to those by the three-dot menu in the corner and then the preferences button right here. We can then go to MIDI and OSC setup. You want to make sure that OSC is enabled and take note of the incoming and outgoing ports. If you need to adjust these, that's okay, as long as it matches on both ends, on the lightShark end as well as the Vezer end. Let's go to Vezer. I'm going to go ahead and create a new project. Now, I'm going to go to the menu and preferences and head over to OSC. Here, I want to add an OSC output. I'll set my IP address to the IP address of the lightShark console, which I can see on the LS scores screen. And then I want to set my port as outgoing 8000, which is the default incoming port in the lightShark. This is exactly what I want. Next, I'm going to name it so I know what the output is. Now, we'll close the preferences. We're going to go ahead, add a new track, and use the OSC flag track. We'll select our output to be lightShark. And then we'll double tap to press a flag anywhere that we want to send a command. Then, in the lightShark manual, we'll look in the OSC section and we'll see that if we type /ls/executor/xyz, we will then be able to go ahead and enter our command. So for OSC, the command for executor button in the upper left-hand corner is 1/1/1. The first one, the X, is the page selected. I'll show you that here in the lightShark. Page 1, and then it's an X and Y coordinate for the second one and the third one. So this command would fire this first executor. The last thing that we need to add is a value. So we'll go ahead and add a value of 0 using the carets on either end. Perfect. Now we'll go ahead and add another one. So I'm just going to go ahead, copy and paste this one. And for our second, we'll switch the ID of the executor button. Perfect. Now we'll go ahead and play. And we see our executors, number 1 and number 2, are fired by Vezer. Congratulations, you've now fired lightShark executor buttons from Vezer. Now you can use this on your next installation project. Thanks.